Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete WIX account permanently. So first you need to go to your dashboard of WIX or to the list of your websites. Either way, you want to click right here at the top right of your screen on your profile picture, and then you want to click on Account Settings. On Account Settings, you want to scroll down a bit until you see, right here at the very bottom, Close Your Account. You want to click on Close Your Account. But keep in mind, WIX is reminding you to move any sites to trash. So for example, here I want to select this site and then choose Move to Trash. And then this one too, click on Move to Trash. And then if your site has any premium plans or domains connected, you need to cancel or transfer them first so later there will be no billing to you. After you've done that, just click on Close Your Account, which will take you to this window. And then here, you can just tell WIX why you're closing your account. Just choose something, and then you can also add your feedback, but it is optional. And then you want to enter your password to do this. And then also, here on Before You Delete, if you just want to change your email account, you can just do it like here on Account Settings. And then after you ascertain that you want to delete your account, just click on Close Account. So if you ever want to go back using WIX, you need to sign up all over again and then start from scratch. And that's how to delete a WIX account permanently. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing.